Right folks, reasons why you shouldn't buy a Nespresso Vertuo Plus, and also reasons why I am literally, the day that this busted, I'm going to go out and buy another one, or I've already actually ordered one. So this is now my second machine, and the first one destroyed itself after about 2 years, 6 months, something like that. Basically started leaking from the bottom, making really watery coffee, which is absolutely no good at all. And I posted a video at the time saying I've figured out how to fix the dreaded Nespresso leak. And what I showed was basically me copiously cleaning it out with toothbrushes and running it through multiple cleaning cycles. And it did in fact appear to solve the problem, but it was temporary, and after about another 3 months the thing just gave up the ghost and nothing I did could fix it. And yesterday the same thing happened to the current machine, which we've had a similar length of time, and this time I thought maybe it's got something to do with descaling, so I ran it through multiple descaling cycles. I think I ran it through about 6 descaling cycles and multiple cleaning cycles and did all the stuff I did before, but it literally made one decent coffee and then it crapped out on us again. And you might be thinking, why is it that you are now going to go out? I literally have just gone out and bought, not gone out, but sat on my phone and ordered another one, exactly the same machine. And the reason I've done that is because I'm just absolutely addicted to the Nespresso coffee pods, and I love it, and it's part of my daily routine, and we make like at least 3 or 4 coffees every single day, sometimes more. So it's very much part of our life now, all this money we spend on coffee. But what I will say to you is this: don't go on the Nespresso website, which is what I did last time, and then order like a massive amount of pods and get a free machine, because the machine, it's not free, just paying it with pods. Went on Amazon and got exactly the same machine, which was advertised as £179 on the Nespresso app for 75 quid. I think it was basically within £3 or £4, it was like £100 cheaper. So if you are going to buy an Nespresso Vertuo Plus, then be prepared for the fact that it is going to last you, 2 years, 2.5 years, if you're lucky 3 years. Then it's going to crap out on you, by which time you become addicted to the coffee, and then you'll have to go out and buy another machine. This is the reason that we have the backup Pixie, which we are now going to be using until the new Vertuo Plus arrives. So I hope you've found this video interesting and informative. It is at least very, very honest. I have shilled the absolute bejesus out of this machine in the past, and I do love it. It's fantastic. It's so convenient, but they've got a lifespan, and that lifespan is, in our experience, sub 3 years. And I know some people have experienced this problem sooner. I'm putting it down to an accumulation of lime scale, which I don't think the descaling is enough to remove over time, but I don't know without ripping the machine apart, and I see no way of tearing the machine down. So that's my analysis. Hope you found it informative and useful, and I hope you like our multicoloured picture of this Highland cow, which is the best thing in my kitchen for a background. So have a wonderful time and enjoy your coffee, folks.